Good morning, guys. We are starting to write equations from situations. I have added this page for a reference for you guys. And these are just words and phrases into math. Of course, addition, we have words like plus and total, combine, subtraction, we're subtracting, we're decreasing, we're sharing, there's a difference. Multiplication, we're multiplied, we're increased by factors. Multiples, product is a good one. Division, there's a quotient divided by half. A divisor equals is, are, were, was, and then parentheses words, the quantity of, twice the sum of, and so on and so forth. I'm not going to read every single one. You can do that on your own. I just wanted to make sure you knew this was in there. So we are going to jump into writing equations from situations. So we're going to go into addition first. And some words that we typically see are more than. And I'm going to press the tab button to make a big space. Then we have total. We have words like increased by, oops, in all, sum, gain, altogether, combined, and any word that you can also think of. We can add in here of addition. This is not the only words. These are just some of the more common words. Okay, so for subtraction, we also know that we have things like less than, decreased by, there's a difference, maybe there was a loss, or we had fewer. Okay, give you a chance to get those in, or you can simply pause the video to get those words in. In multiplication, they're going to say words like times a number. What I really want you to pay attention is the word each. And I'm actually going to bold that because that is a key word, and you're going to see that in a minute. And per, every, these are key words, and I'll tell you why in a minute. Each, every, and per. And then you have words like, also like product, or twice as many, or any kind of number when they say 4 times as many. And then with division, they can tell you that you're going to half something. Maybe you'll split it. One of their favorites is quotient. I'm not sure if you guys remember that. Or we're going to share something. And then your final keyword is equals. So they'll say things like is, or a big one that they typically always use is same. Okay, that is your keyword. So we are going to go into some practice. I'm going to show you how I would tackle these. So it says Beyonce has 400 followers on Twitter and is gaining 75 followers each day. Kanye West has 1,000 followers on Twitter but is losing 25 followers a day. How many days will it take them to have the same number of followers? Okay, so always read the entire situation first, because you don't know if they're going to ask you to write an equation or if they're going to ask you to write an inequality. Remember, the key word is equation. That root word in equation is going to be equal. Okay, so we're looking for those key words, is or same. And they gave me that keyword same, so I know that's going to be an equation. So let's start with Beyonce. Beyonce had 400 followers, okay, and is gaining. If I'm gaining, that means that I am adding, okay, 75 followers each day. Now that's that keyword that I bolded for you. Each, every, and per. Anytime I see each, every, and per, I know then that number is going to have my X. Okay, because this is an equation, I'm going to put my equal sign. Kanye West has 1,000 followers, but guess what? He is losing. He's losing 25 followers a day. Okay, so each day, I don't know how many days there are, so I'm going to put an X, and that is my equation. Okay. I am not going to solve this for you. I'm going to let you solve that for your own so that you can tell me X, what X is, or how many days it's going to take them to have the same amount of followers. So let's do another. It says Ben and his friends are going to play putt-putt at one location. They can pay $2 for rentals plus $7.50 per game. At another location, it would cost $8 for rentals plus $6 per game. How many games would they pay for either of their locations to cost the same? Excuse me. Okay, so first we're going to read the whole thing. We're looking for those key words. That key word is same. Okay, because it says same, I know this is an equation. So let's start with Ben. Excuse me, let's start at one location. So at one location, they're going to pay $2. Actually, I'm just going to put 2 because that looks confusing. $2 for rentals plus $7.50 per game. There goes that keyword. Remember, per, each, every, anytime I see that, that is where my X is going. Okay, and that is going to equal the same thing as the other location, which it says for them it costs $8 per rental, plus $6 per game. Again, that keyword per tells me that is where my X is going. You're going to go ahead and solve that on your own. I'm not going to help you. And you are going to tell me how many games how many games would it take for them to pay the same? I am going to leave these 3 practices for you. And if you have any questions, please let me know. I will talk to you guys later. Bye.